Trust the universe. Trust the universe, the wait is over. Something amazing is coming for you. Raise your vibration and let it flow. Your blessings are on the way. Are you ready? Drop a yes to claim it. Source is saying to you today, you will look back on the struggles, the challenges and the difficulties of life with a deep gratitude. They are making you into a great power. The moment you surrender to the flow of the universe and accept all difficulty as a necessary part of your growth, you move into a space of attraction. A positive attitude, regardless of external circumstances, allows new energy to flow into your life. Miracles are occurring for you to become your best self. Type vibe to claim it, and also subscribe God's Manifesto 1111. Thank you.